I'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone's video sound not working, the easy way. If you're looking to play back a home video you just shot on an iPhone, or want to watch an online video but you can't hear any sound, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps to fix it. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. There are 5 simple methods you can try to get the sound working on your iPhone videos again. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Make sure the volume slider is turned all the way up. Also, check that your phone isn't connected to an external device by turning off Bluetooth. Play back the video to see if the sound works. The next method is to check if the video is muted. When you're playing a video in the Photos app, sometimes there is a small mute button at the bottom right of the video player. Tap this to unmute the video, then listen if the sound is back. If the problem continues, go back to Settings and open Sounds and Haptics. Find the Change with Buttons option. Make sure it's turned on. You can also toggle it off and on again to reset it. Use the physical volume buttons on the side of your phone to turn the volume all the way up. Next is to check the physical mute switch. Look at the side of your iPhone, just above the volume buttons. There's a small physical switch that can be used to mute and unmute your phone. If you see an orange color, it means the phone is muted. Make sure the switch is toggled so the orange color is hidden, which turns off silent mode in the iPhone. As a last option, restarting the phone can reset it for minor glitches. Go to your iPhone settings, tap on General, and then scroll down to Shut Down. After the phone is off, turn it back on. This simple reboot can often fix many glitches. By following these steps, you will have successfully fixed your iPhone's video sound not working. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving that a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.